The mosque is located on the southern part of the Temple Mount, or Haram al-Sharif, an enclosure expanded by King Herod the Great beginning in 20 BC during his reconstruction of the Second Jewish Temple. A mostly wooden, rectangular mosque on the Temple Mount site with a capacity for 3,000 worshippers is attested by the Gallic monk Arculf during his pilgrimage to Jerusalem in c. 679 to 682. Abbasid period. The Abbasids generally exhibited little interest in Jerusalem, though the historian Shlomo Dov Goitein notes they paid special tribute to the city during the early part of their rule, and Graybar asserts that the early Abbasids' work on the mosque suggests a major attempt to assert Abbasid sponsorship of holy places. The Fatimid Caliph al-Zahir, or 1021 to 1036, had the mosque reconstructed between 1034 and 1036, though work was not completed until 1065, during the reign of Caliph al-Mustansir, or 1036 to 1094. Atop the mihrab arch is a lengthy inscription in gold directly linking the Aqsa Masque with Muhammad's night journey, the Isra and Miraj, from the Masjid al-Haram to the Masjid al-Aqsa. It marked the first instance of this Quranic verse being inscribed in Jerusalem. Jerusalem was captured by the Crusaders in 1099 during the First Crusade. They named the mosque Templum, distinguishing it from the Dome of the Rock, which they named Templum Domini, Temple of God. While the Dome of the Rock was turned into a Christian church under the care of the Augustinians. After the Ottomans assumed power in 1517, they did not undertake any major renovations or repairs to the mosque itself, but they did to the noble sanctuary as a whole. The site fell under Israeli control on June 7, 1967, during the Six-Day War. On August 21, 1969, a fire was started by a visitor from Australia named Dennis Michael Rowan, an evangelical Christian who hoped that by burning down Al-Aqsa Mosque, he would hasten the second coming of Jesus. Nothing remains of the original dome built by Abd al-Malik. The present-day dome mimics that of Az-Zahir, which consisted of wood plated with lead enamel work, but which was destroyed by fire in 1969. Today it is made of concrete with lead sheeting. The facade of the mosque was built in 1065 C on the instructions of the Fatimid Caliph al-Mustansir Billah. It was crowned with a balustrade consisting of arcades and small columns. The Al-Aqsa Mosque has 7 aisles of hypostyle naves, with several additional small halls to the west and east of the southern section of the building. The mosque's interior is supported by 45 columns, 33 of which are white marble and 12 of stone. 96. The column rows of the central aisles are heavy and stunted.